To import contacts in Outlook from Excel or CSV file. So I'll show you in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here, just open the new Excel or just open your existing Excel and just arrange your contacts in first name, last name, email, and company. You can add another categories like position and others, age, gender, whatever you want. So I add only 4 category here: first name, last name, email ID, and company. Okay, so now just open your Excel sheet. And now if this is in the Excel format, you have to save as in different format. I will show you. So go to the file, go to the save as, and here just browse the folder you want to save. So I want to save in documents only, and as I told you, this is an Excel format. You have to change it in CSV file. Okay, this is CSV. Okay, just click on CSV file, rename it, and save this file to the location. Now just open the Outlook and now go to the files here, go to the import export, open the export, go to the import export here, and just click on import from another program and choose the comma separated value, and here browse the file that you have saved as a CSV format. That's one. Just click on, select it. You can also allow this replace duplicate with the items imported, allow the duplicates to be created, do not import duplicate items. Whatever you want, you just select. You can, okay, click on next. Now here you have to select the destination in where you want to save. So by default it's save in contacts only, but you can save in different folder if you want. So you can also save in your mailbox or any other format folder. So I just choose the contacts only, click on next. Okay, so I got this error because my Excel sheet was open. So you have to close your Excel sheet, and now just click on next. Now you can see the import the Outlook email according into field. So here you can map the field, just click the map the field, and here we have 4 value: first name, last name, email, and company. So you have to just go to the first name and drag your first name in this value and last name in this value. The email ID you have to find here, the email ID, just drag this email ID in first email ID, and find the company or business name. Find out, I just drag this in this field only. Now the mapping has been done, click on OK. Now go to the finish. Now you can see all contacts will be imported here. It is imported now. So that is how you can import contacts from Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.